So first let's start with paper cutting, guys. The most important part of making this blouse is front and back design measurement is same. So if you cut one part, this will also help you to cut the back part as well. So first I'm just starting with cutting of the shoulder. I'm taking 6.5 inch here. Shoulder is 6.5 inch. Armhole also 6.5 inch. Now the chest. Here I'm making it for 32. For 32 you need 10.5 inch, guys. Now I will say why you need 10.5 inch. I will show you why you need 10.5 inch for 32 or 34 chest. So if you are cutting it princess cut, then take 11.5 inch. So here you got the pattern, and this pattern will help you to cut the back part as well. Let's cut 4 pieces of this pattern and you are done cutting the fabric. You can use lining fabric if you want, but I'm making this without any lining fabric. Do the same thing with the back part as well. You don't have to do anything different. Very same, just like the front. This is the finished look after joining both parts. Now you'll ask me that where is the hook? Where you can attach the hook? So it's a better recommendation. Don't use any hook. Use elastic 0.5-inch knit elastic here in the waist part. Just take elastic and measure your waist and then attach it here with the blouse. This will give you amazing fittings and style also. You don't have to use hook and you can wear it by your head. So this is it guys, very easy.